I've actually put my toilet in the other day, and I did it so I didn't have to keep going back over using the bathroom over there whenever I had to go. Don't have water hooked up, I just use a bucket to flush it with, but I've got to run my vent. It's causing a problem with it flushing, of course. Don't flush as good, so I'm gonna run my vent. That way it'll fix that. I haven't done it yet. I've got it ran up through the ground, of course, out of the concrete, but I need to run it up through the wall, through the ceiling, put my rain cap on there, or my whatever you want to call it, seal for it so it don't ring inside the roof. And that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. It shouldn't be much of a video, but anyways, stay tuned. We'll get that done real quick. Alright, my eyes are still adjusting. It was bright out there on top of that roof. I know I don't talk a lot while I was on the roof, or I know I didn't talk a lot while I was on the roof. Thing is, I put lots of screws around the flange, the black rubber seal. I silicone it. You might not have to, but I do. I don't want any chances of any rain getting underneath there. I feel like if I do that, it does better. Put lots of screws around the top, sides. The bottom isn't too bad. Wind would have to blow it up through there, and with a little bit of silicone, I don't see it happening. But that's pretty much it. Now, my toilet should flush good. We'll see.